Got my skin right here, look. Oh.
Bro, I don't want to see that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of our series of trying to turn a 1999 Firebird on. We're gonna try to make it into the fastest drag racing car.
Oh my goodness! Big crash!
We need to do maintenance on it. We gotta get it. All right, ready? Come on. We gotta do maintenance on it. We gotta come on.
Restart.
We're gonna do maintenance on it. We gotta try to get it. All right, relax.
Guys, we got oil, spark plugs, and we got spark plug coils.
And we got a fuel pump system. So what we got to do, we have to try to turn it on. The objective for today, try to get this thing running, see if it works, see if it's anything. It's gonna be a challenge today. It's 100. Bro, get the fuck out my way, bro, please. It's 100 and almost 8 degrees right now, so it's fucking hot. And just know this is dedication. Don't ever fucking get me dirty like that. I'm doing a YouTube video right now, bro. Please, let's get into it.
All right, guys, we're gonna start by doing the fuel pump. Hey, go open the. All right, go. Hey, go. Open the trunk.
Open it.
Oh, hey, we need a stick. Wow.
We actually need a stick?
Oye, me agarras el fierro.
Oh, we're trying to get freaky.
Trying to get freaky with my dad, though.
All right, guys, we're gonna start by taking off these parts because fuel pump where we need a cut is gonna be right here. So we gotta take these plastics off, take this off, and probably move this forward.
Slide it like a slider. Let me see. I got you, buddy.
Don't break it. Still gotta sell this car.
Oh, you gotta go up. Okay.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna have to cut this panel out right here because the fuel pump is underneath here, and that's work for us to just cut right here and remove everything instead of.
Hey, we could look, grab a vacuum and like put it in there and suck up all the old gas, no?
Hey, you might be onto something, or you might just be on something. I don't know, but we're gonna start it. Hey, let me get the safety glasses.
Safety glasses?
The safety squints.
Yeah, safety squints. Come on.
No,
safety
squints.
first.
Do safety squints.
You're ugly?
Here.
All right. Hey, hard hat, vest.
Oh, I got a hard hand vest. Oh, I actually have real safety glasses.
No,
You
go
want some
bring
real
it.
safety glasses? Let me see those.
Go bring the stuff.
What's the? Nah, that's my work vest. I ain't
So
losing
what?
that.
I'm not gonna burn it.
Nah, it's because I don't get dirty at work. I don't do shit.
Huh? Well, so we can have.
Like right here?
Yes, we're gonna
Yeah.
cut right here. Come
All right,
on,
why you cutting right here then? Okay.
bro.
Hey, just be careful going. Don't go into it because
No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna just mark it out.
Don't do it too much, man.
Hey, I think you got the gas tank right there, buddy.
Oh, is a gas tank on top?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, you're going too far deep, you dickhead.
Bro, it's barely getting anything.
All right.
Alright, Alan fucked up and he cut the actual gas tank. So, fuck up number 1. It's okay. I'll try to fix it. Last one, buddy. Imagine it's on this side.
Aquí le falta más abajo.
Okay.
Yeah, you're getting the wires. You're getting the wires.
You get the wires. Hey,
¿Tú guantes?
yeah, you get some gloves so I can lift it up.
The rag? Something?
Ooh,
Yeah.
We did hit the wire. Look a little bit.
Se pueden arreglar. ¿Sí le romperías?
Sí.
Porque huele, ¿verdad? O nomás yo digo.
He did. He fucking dumbass.
What I do?
¿Sí?
Sí, pero le podemos poner JB Watt ahí.
Sí.
Alan.
Fucking dumbass.
Hey, be careful though. Let me hold the gas. Fucking Alan, güey.
Es que también quién pone el tanque tan cerca, güey, no mames.
Ah, pinche Alan.
You only cut it right here, though.
Oh, se mira hasta dentro del tanque.
Yo traje un chingo de tiempo con un tanque así, güey. Cuando pasaba la frontera me revisaban porque pensaban que lo traía lleno de chingadera.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Pedo. Oh, hey, disconnect the battery.
Hey, Alan, explain what happened.
All right, guys. So I don't know who the fuck manufactured this car, but they fucked up because they put the gas tank too close to the metal. I think that should be a safety hazard.
You got anything to say though?
Bro. Huh?
Gotta buy a new tank now.
We don't gotta buy a new tank.
Look. Hey.
No way you cut yourself.
Oh!
You motherfucker.
Got my skin right here, look. Oh.
Bro, I don't want to see that shit.
Abba.
Este güey se rajó la verga. Este güey va a ocupar cirugía la verga. No cirugía, pero.
No
baby
way.
fucked it up. I didn't put him. I didn't do nothing. This guy almost sliced his fucking hand off, bro. What is wrong with this guy?
Hey, what do you think?
I cannot be watching that shit, bro.
What do you think?
What do I think about what?
Should we continue working on the car?
I mean, while he goes get stitches, bro. ¿Sí, no? Para avanzarle.
Well, we have to take him to go get stitches, dick.
Yeah, fact.
Fixing the car gone wrong. All right, we're gonna pause it real quick. We're gonna assess the situation. We're gonna come right back. Buddy, what happened, buddy?
I don't know. You see my fucking bone in my hand right now.
All right, look, we fucked up. All right, it's a perfect start to the video for content, but it's a really bad start for us because fuck, right?
Yeah, we're literally a man
All
down
right.
right now.
So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take him to urgent care. We're gonna see if we can patch him up real quick, and then we're gonna get right back to it, y'all. We're not gonna stop today. Nothing's gonna stop us. The enemy can't win today, y'all. So.
Yeah, literally. Even if he would have cut his whole hand off, even
Yeah.
if he has to cut his whole hand off, it's all good.
His mom put alcohol, baking soda, and lemon. So
Probably like the worst.
the three
things
worst
that-
combinations to make his hand fall off. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. We're gonna catch you guys at urgent care. And he's trying to blame us for it. Made it to the urgent care. Let's see if this guy's gonna be okay.
What happened?
So we were working on a car.
Uh-huh.
We were cutting sheet metal, it's like the metal from the car.
Okay.
And then we were taking off some part, and it was kind of hard, so we all three were yanking on it, and then as we were yanking, like it got off, like the sheet metal, like kind of like.
What part of your hand? Don't uncover it yet, but what part of your hand?
Oh, right here.
From the news we're getting, I think we might have to cut his leg off.
The leg's coming off.
I did have surgery on this hand actually.
All right. How you feeling today?
Pretty good.
Any sex lately?
No.
He's a condom. Yeah. Living on the edge. I like it. All right, so let's see what we're working with. Can I lift it?
No.
Okay. Messed up a little bit. What did we learn?
Wear gloves.
Hey guys.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first. We'll do like the whole segment when we get back over there. We'll be like this. Wear gloves. Okay, finishing up a couple of tests here. Give me some, brother. Unprotected sex. Doctor will be with you in a minute.
Can you come in?
Yeah.
Alright, like I haven't here. What happened?
Mean dumb.
Kinda, you do look like the type. Alright, well, right here on the thing it says you got a serious cut from the looks of it. You got a hand injury. I think we might need to cut your leg off.
Alright, bet.
It's my first day, so
Hey, you know if you donate one of your nuts, you get 15K?
Alright.
That's perfect for the LLC.
wait.
Let's get out of here before the doctor comes. So, just a little update. He did have to get stitches, which was probably our worst case scenario. How many stitches did you get?
7 or 8.
7 or 8, 6, 7 stitches. So we're a little fried. He's gonna be our cameraman for now, and we're still gonna go home and finish. You guys could tell Alan did cut the gas tank, so I got some plastic JB Weld. We're gonna do that. We're gonna make sure we take extra precautionary
I'll be the
measures.
supervisor, alright?
Supervisor.
I'm the CEO now.
All right, and it's gonna be safety first from now on. Please make sure you guys wear gloves. Do not imitate anything that we do because we are not professionals. This is not a how-to
This is not a
video.
how-to channel, alright?
So make sure you guys wear gloves, wear eyewear, helmets, vests, whatever the fuck you guys gotta wear. Just wear it and be safe, guys. So don't copy what we're doing. We'll see you guys back at home. All right, guys, we're back. So we learned our lesson. Safety first. We covered everything right here. We just gotta get this shit off.
Alright guys, we just disconnected the fuel lines and now we're just gonna pop this off. We're gonna twist it that way and it should come off right here.
Grab his dick and twist it.
Grab his dick and twist it! Oh my god, dude!
Alright. Oh shit. Ah! Alright guys, we just got this unlocked and this looks like it's pretty full. We're gonna throw this inside the bucket. Hey, the tank is like halfway. Look at all this. Alright, we're gonna have to dump this.
Take it out.
Yeah, take it out.
Alright, let's
Hey,
dump
these
it.
are like...
Ew, this don't even look like gas, man.
Hey, this is almost full.
Isn't it?
Yeah, look.
Damn. Are we gonna have to drain it?
We're gonna get a little piece, a little bit of that gas.
If it lights on fire. If it is, bro, this whole tank is full of gas, so we'll probably be straight if it's good.
Right there, that's fine.
Oh my goodness, we have a full tank of gas. Guys, do you guys know what this means? Do you guys know what this means?
What?
We have a full tank of gas.
Oh my God! Wow!
Obviously. Alright, safety first, guys. Turn off the fire always.
Light this one on fire right here? Okay, guys, we finally got something connected right here. Basically, we fucked up. The shit wasn't connecting, it wasn't turning on. So what I did was I connected all the wires directly to this control module right here and the combobulator. But basically we got the fuel pump connected, we had to piece it all together. All this thing is corroded, so everything's like brittle and falling apart. I finally got back together. I'm gonna connect it and we're gonna hope it turns on. We're gonna hope it primes. We're gonna hope it doesn't blow up.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Wait.
Alright.
Alright guys, hold on. Moment of fucking truth. Alan, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. Turn it on. In 3, 2, 1. Better prime first. Oh, it's priming. Prime it one more time?
Actually, turn it on. Turn that motherfucker on.
Prime it one more time.
Yeah, let it
Go ahead, sorry, fuck it, sorry.
3,
No, if the pump is working, I'll throw gas.
1.
Oh my goodness! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, it turned on. Is it marking gas?
That don't matter.
Bro, it's hey, rev it a little bit. Turn it off, turn it off. Oh my goodness, we fucking did it.
We did it!
Bro, we fucking did it.
Oh, you smell that?
It's like straight
Smells
fucking
like
oil,
fumes,
bro.
bro.
We can't even shake you up. Shake me up. Hey, it turned on. It
Should
turned
we try
on.
it?
What?
Should we try moving it? At least we know the engine worked.
All it took was some little damage.
It's crazy to think that something happened, but something good happened. Something bad happened, but something good happened. All right, guys, we wasted almost 2 hours and a half trying to assemble the fuel pump, and finally we got it to work after 2 hours, and it's time to test drive it. Let's go.
All right, there you guys. First test drive. Turn it on, buddy.
We're like nothing.
Wait, I don't think we might have power steering. Wait, yeah, we don't have.
We don't have no power steering, but
Well, that's another.
oh, transmission works.
Hey, the engine it feels strong though, bro.
You better step on that motherfucker. Go left, go left.
Not right now, though. You're gonna...
No, it literally
It
has
feels
no
like
power.
it does have. All right. Feels like it does. All right.
Where should we go? We should go that way, no?
Yeah, left. It feels like it has power steering, no?
A little bit. When I give it
Don't
gas.
step on it. Don't step on it. Oh, shit.
Making my way downtown, walking fast. Oh, hey, this feels looking smooth.
Turn on the AC actually.
It's a little bouncy though. I will say that.
Like a million PSI.
No AC, obviously.
Step on that. Ah, no, slow down. Hey, that's looking scary.
Smells like burnt.
Think we might just flip a bitch right here? Yeah, no?
Maybe it's the AC coming out hot.
Just go, just keep going. Step on it right here. Step on it.
Oh, what
shit.
the?
Oh, shit, that bitch takes off.
Whoa, yeah,
That
bro.
bitch takes off.
Hey,
We don't know about this fucking suspension. What if a tire flies off, Richard?
Oh, yeah, fuck.
hey, no, hey, this is fast, bro. Hey, and then the gears are long too.
Imagine with the
Hey,
cam.
let me try it.
Yeah.
Here,
Imagine with a cam.
What's in here? What's here? A dispensary?
Yeah.
Dispensary.
I do not condone this.
I'm actually starting to fall in love with
I'm
it.
telling you, it does sound like it needs a lot of maintenance.
Check
stuff.
gauges.
Everything looks good though.
I feel a little tight back here though.
Take your time though. Take your time.
Yeah, literally just enjoy the ride,
No,
bro.
Don't take your time,
'Cause
bro.
this shit
This
goes.
shit- what if this shit has no fucking coolant? We didn't even check.
I mean, look, the temp is good.
Damn, this shit pulls.
Hold on. What you doing, bro?
Bro, we about to fucking turn up with this shit, bro.
This guy's driving like it's a fucking brand new whip.
It burns out. That's all that matters. And the power steering goes out.
It is already out. It doesn't work. Bro, you gotta drive this. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you gotta drive it. Let's see if it burns out. Just a little bit, just a little bit.
Like nothing.
Nah, bro, we about to fucking turn up in this car.
Do a little pull straight. All right, don't
take off?
don't no, like just a little pull. All right, look at this. You're gonna do a little donut. Look at this, brother.
Nah, not here.
Nah,
Damn.
Hey, that was 60 miles per hour right there, bro.
Hey, who say you can't buy something great with $700? All right, is there no one behind me? I'm gonna do a burnout reverse.
What?
I'm just kidding. All right, then, y'all. As you guys can see, we're gonna do our first burnout.
That's good.
Alright guys, you guys seen it here. We got the Firebird turned on. We replaced the fuel pump. I guess that was all it needed. We didn't get to put the spark plugs or anything else. We ran out of time. But we also wanted to tell you guys about the next big idea that we have, which is
The Mustang. So this right here is a 2019 Mustang. It's a 5.0, obviously. It's a manual. We got a very, very big surprise for you guys. Should we tell them the surprise? We got a $10,000 part. It came in, but we weren't here to sign for it. So it's gonna come in tomorrow. But in the next video, we're gonna show the parts and we're gonna show everything that we're gonna do to the car. But for now, this is like gonna be our cool car. car for now.
Yeah, this is our cool car, and this is our project car. We still don't know if we want to keep it and build it or just put it into a different car.
It does have a lot of stuff that we have to mess around with. It has like we still need to do a lot of maintenance on it, so we don't know if it's gonna be too much to do maintenance on it. But as you guys can see, it burns out. We did a donut in it. It goes fast. The power steering's a little loose. We don't know the brakes. We gotta check the brakes. The tires are cracked as fuck. But shit, it turned on though. That was our main goal for today. So for everybody that doubted us and said it wasn't gonna turn on in the last video, shit, this shit turned on, boy.
Hey, you know, it's really up to the audience. We really don't know what we really want to do with the car. But if you guys comment down below and you guys give us your guys' opinion, then we could work off of that.
Is it worth it?
Yeah,
No.
is it? But yeah, guys, you guys seen it here. You know, I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. I'm Alan.
I'm KC. We out.
Fija mirada en billetes, hay que corretear los verdes, las horas van pasando y